A world of iron and dust, Mars has remained unchanged for eons.
But beneath this stillness, a transformation is beginning.
The soil here is toxic, saturated with lethal perchlorates.
Jagged and unforgiving, these minerals are the first obstacle to life.
To the uninitiated, they look like frost. To science, they are poison. But help has arrived in the form of autonomous pioneers. The A1 units are designed for the harshest environments,
scanning for the optimal extraction sites.
Destination: the Terraforming Hub.
A sanctuary of glass and steel in a world of red. Reinforced shielding protects the delicate work within.
Raw regolith is harvested around the clock.
Every gram must be processed. The first stage of purification begins now.
Unprocessed regolith enters the facility.
Into the heart of the machine. Sensors detect high concentrations of toxic salts. The main processing hall.
Automated systems prepare for the chemical wash.
Gravity does the work, feeding the vats.
An aqueous solution designed to dissolve the toxins.
The reaction is immediate.
The poison is neutralized. Cleaned soil is transported for secondary processing. Purity levels at 98% and rising.
Dehydration through extreme centrifugal force.
Every drop of water is recycled. The result is sterile, moist regolith.
Clean. Safe. But still lifeless. Final verification ensures no trace of perchlorates remains.
At the molecular level, the soil is ready.
A blank canvas of minerals, awaiting the brush of life.
Phase 2, enrichment. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the building blocks.
The soil is no longer just dirt. It is becoming a medium. Molecular bonding creates the foundation for growth.
The transformation is visible even at this scale.
Incubation, the final rest before the spark.
perfect conditions. 25 degrees Celsius, 60% humidity. For the first time in millions of years, the soil breathes.
The inoculation drone, the carrier of life. Engineered cyanobacteria, the architects of a new atmosphere. They spread quickly, seeking out every mineral grain. Hardy, efficient, and hungry for sunlight. They begin the work of breaking down the rock itself. In hours, a single drop becomes a colony.
The miracle of photosynthesis begins. Oxygen is released.
The first breath of a new world.
What was once toxic dust is now a living cradle.
The red planet is turning green. The future has taken root.
The foundation of a new world is built on the microscopic.
A single spore, engineered for the impossible.
In hours, it weaves a net that spans kilometers,
turning loose dust into the bedrock of life. Underground, a silent revolution is taking place. The soil is no longer dead. It is held together by design. Behold, the first true Martian topsoil. From the darkness, we reach for the light.
Mass production of the most valuable resource on the planet.
The harvest of Earth begins.
Entering the heart of the colony.
The Great Garden of Mars. Every level is a microclimate, perfectly tuned. Preparation is the key to survival.
The Earth is laid down with surgical precision. Nature, organized by the machine.
Each pod contains the blueprint for a future forest. The wait begins.
Life is waking up.
An army of growth standing by. Water, recycled from the very air we breathe.
The first rain in 1 billion years.
Every drop is a catalyst. The spark of life. Activation confirmed. Roots take hold in the red dust. a partnership between kingdoms. The first breath of a new world. Growth is no longer a struggle, but a certainty. The nursery of the future. Simulating the perfect day. Photosynthesis, optimized by AI. Stronger, faster, better. The atmosphere is our fuel.
A forest in the making.
The ecosystem is self-sustaining.
The guardians of the soil. Scale is everything. Green is the color of victory.
And this is only the beginning.
Structural crops, designed for construction.
A natural armor against the radiation. Nutrition, engineered for the human palate.
The taste of a new world.
The foundation of the feast.
Biodiversity is our best defense.
Nothing is wasted. The cycle of life, accelerated.
Decay becomes birth. We have turned the red planet green. And this is just the first dome. On the surface of a dead world, we have built a self-sustaining engine of life.
Every fruit is a triumph of genetic engineering and precision robotics. The transit system ensures zero waste and maximum freshness. A subterranean artery of nutrients, feeding the growing colony. The vault, a safeguard against the unpredictability of a new world.
Efficiency is the only way to survive the Martian winter. But the heart of the operation remains in the light. From this height, the geometry of life is undeniable.
Each ring represents a different stage of the Martian ecological bloom.
A fragile paradise, held together by a thin layer of glass.
This is the front line of the battle for a new Earth. Reflection and reality, blurred by the miracle of technology.
Outside, the red planet remains as it has been for billions of years. Life and death, separated by mere inches of transparent alloy.
The data confirms it. Mars is waking up.
A jewel in the dust. A testament to human will. Alone, but no longer silent. We look to the stars, not for escape, but for perspective. From the blue world, we brought the seed. On the red world, we found the future. The alchemy is complete.